take off.
Still pretty windy.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Go, look at that. You can see the red. That is not good. That is one big fire.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
See the angle on the camera? That is, the wind is really pushing my drone around. Probably going to get a high wind warning here any second. That is one big fire. There she comes, a high wind warning. If I remember correctly, there was another fire over here somewhere. Sorry about the wind noise, it's nothing I can help. It is very, very, very windy out here. Especially at 400 feet. Yeah, there's that fire. Look at the size of that thing. Holy smokes. That is a massive fire, folks. That is a massive fire. I hope anybody in the way has evacuated. I'm going to have to bring her down. This is just way too much wind for this drone. Well, you all take care of yourself. Hopefully this doesn't get into anybody's business here. I'm coming home.
Landing.
Going to be a lot of devastation with this fire, that's for damn sure.